Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this lesson today, inshallah, we will be discussing Kasra. Kasra is the next sound that we will be learning, and the sound it gives the letter is E, and it is opposite to the Fatha, as the Fatha is on top of the letter. Kasra is at the bottom of the letter, and Kasra gives the letter the sound E. So the alif or the hamza, okay, this is actually a hamza, okay, when it has kasra under it, then we say E, okay, and for the ba we say B, T. And also pay attention to the strong and the weak letters here. So hamza is a weak letter, so we say E, B, T, Fi, G, He, and then Kha is a strong letter, so we would say Khi. Now because the strong letter has a kasra under it, Kha has a kasra under it, it makes it sound a bit weaker, okay? So we wouldn't say Khi, we say Khi, okay? So it's not completely strong, but it's not weak either. It's kind of in between the strong and weak, okay? So it's not really strong. So we say Khi. The next one is Dal, which is a weak letter, so we would say D, V, and then Ra becomes a weak letter when it has kasra under it, so we say Ri. We don't say Roi, no, Ri. Z, weak letter. C, weak letter. She, weak letter. Then we get to the Sad, which is a strong letter, and this is completely strong regardless. Even though it has a kasra under it, it is still strong, and it stays strong. Not like Kha, where Kha becomes a bit weaker. We keep the Sad strong as possible. Si, we don't say Si. Si, Di, Ti, Di. So Ta and Dha have the same ruling as well, so we make it completely strong. Ti, Di, and then we go to the Ain, which is weak. Here we would say Ai, Ai, smile, okay, Ai, Ai. And like I've mentioned before, I know some of these letters are hard to pronounce, but inshallah we will go into more detail, and also I'll be helping you pronounce these letters with our one-to-one lessons, inshallah. So Ri, here this is a strong letter, but it has become a bit weak because of the kasra under it, just like the Kha, so we say Ri. Okay, then we go back to the weak letter Fi, then strong letter Qi, okay, and this is a bit weak as well because it has a kasra under it, just like the Ri, the Ghain, and the Kha, Khi. So here we say Qi, we don't say Qi, Qi, no, Qi, Qi. Okay, and then the rest of them are weak. Ki, Li, Mi, Ni, We, He, E, Yi.